The Ceramics of Italy trademark represents the Italian ceramics industry and the manufacturers of ceramic tiles, sanitary ware, and tableware. In this video, we will talk about ceramic tiles. In the heart of Italy, at the foot of the Apennines, the Sassuolo ceramic district was born in a unique landscape, carved into the Pliocene clays, which still rise from underground. Here, in this land, man has used clay since ancient times to create objects of worship, jewelry, and everyday utensils from terracotta. 7,000 years ago, our ancestors used to fire pots in open-air furnaces. They then started building covered furnaces because these pots were fired better and saved wood, a valuable resource. Throughout its 7,000 years of history, Italian ceramics has always asked the same question: how can we do things better? How can we save on resources and raw materials? Industrial tile production began in Sassuolo and other parts of Italy in the early 20th century, then experienced very strong growth in the 1950s and 1960s. The presence of many companies and the creation of a network of services for the ceramics industry were a key strength for the area, although, at the same time, the high degree of concentration began to cause environmental issues. Once again, we wondered how things could be done better. Today, ceramic tiles are made from natural raw materials such as clay, kaolin, feldspar, which we import from all over the world. Some time ago, we began reusing production waste. We now recycle over 99%. We also reuse materials from other industries. This way, we reduce the consumption of raw materials and the CO2 emissions deriving from transport. Recycled earth and materials mixed with water are finally ground to form slurry. 100% of the wastewater discharged from the production process is currently retrieved and covers 67% of requirements. The slurry is then spray-dried. With a quick drying process, the water is eliminated, leaving a fine powder. The spray-dried powder is then pressed to create the formed product, which is dried and then glazed, using products that respect the environment and workers' health. The final step is firing, the process that requires the greatest amount of energy. Thanks to roller kiln technology, which has reduced firing times, and solutions for heat recovery, energy consumption has decreased by 47% since 1980. A number of solutions have also been adopted to reduce dust emissions. Today, 99% are captured using abatement filters. For the last 50 years, we've been developing cutting-edge technology aimed at improving sustainability. This distinction is also recognized by the European Union, which, in 2007, adopted Italian environmental standards as a benchmark for defining the best available techniques for the industry. Italian legislation has adopted even stricter standards, further reducing the impact of our businesses.